Welcome to this month's Marketing Monthly video. For this episode, we are going to be discussing why inclusive digital content is important. In today's digital age, where information is readily accessible and communication spans across various platforms, creating exclusive and diverse content is so important. Whether you're running a care home care business, or a retirement living facility, ensuring the digital content is tailored towards anyone's abilities is essential. Here are 3 reasons why creating inclusive and diverse digital content is important for your care business. Number 1, meeting different needs. Patients and clients come from diverse backgrounds and their needs may vary significantly. By creating content that acknowledges and addresses different cultural, linguistic, and accessibility requirements, you ensure that your messages resonate with a wider audience. This can lead to improved patient engagement and a more positive overall experience. Number 2, fostering trust and credibility. When potential patients or clients visit your website or social media platforms, they seek information that is relevant to their situation. Inclusive and diverse content demonstrates your commitment to understanding and catering to the needs of a diverse clientele, and that you generally care about their well-being. This enhances your business's credibility and builds trust among your audience, as clients are more likely to engage with a care business that values diversity and inclusivity. Number 3, contributing to a positive reputation. A care business that actively promotes inclusivity and diversity is more likely to have a positive reputation within the community and industry. Word spreads quickly in today's digital landscape, and a reputation for being inclusive can attract more clients and potential partners. You'll end up attracting more people towards your care business, generating leads for you.
We hope you enjoyed this month's Marketing Monthly and look forward to seeing you next time. Feel free to email any questions to us at team@prosperwell.co.uk, and also check out our other resources such as blogs, vlogs, ebooks, and our care sector podcast Tea With Tobi.